late father. So mine is just to wish him well and Godspeed. Karibu to the Senate. Thank you.
Honorable Gideon, Moi, order. We cannot allow strangers. We cannot allow strangers in the name of God in the house.
In the steering committee, being our chairman, and he's such a jovial man. He's such a man of people that even when moods were not very good, he made a joke that everybody laughed and we went back into working. So I'm looking forward to working with you. You are not the only new one there. I also joined the other day. And so we are going to learn together and we are going to deliver to our people. Congratulate and welcome Mr. Haji. Welcome.